The members of a Minnesota Marine Corps unit couldn't wait to get home to their families after nearly 10 months away.
But that homecoming had to wait for a few extra hours today due to the strange predicament facing one of the Marines. Security officials at Los Angeles International Airport pulled Staff Sergeant Dan Brown aside for questioning, telling him that his name was on a federal watch list. KARE 11's Joe Fryer has more on what landed him there.
You'll hear a lot of mottos in the military.
Our key phrase is hurry up and wait.
That one in particular applied to the friends and families of 29 Marines returning from Iraq today. Loved ones who spent a couple extra hours at Fort Snelling because one Marine had to spend a couple extra hours at Los Angeles International Airport.
My surprise was that when he told me that he wasn't making the flight with the rest of his unit.
Carrie and Terry Brown's son, a man who has now served 2 tours of duty in Iraq, couldn't get through the security at LAX.
They took him aside and said, you need to come with us, you're on the federal watch list, you're not going to be able to fly.
That's because when he left the Twin Cities for Iraq last June, the TSA found traces of gunpowder on his boots.
So they pulled him out of formation, and that's what's causing all the delay here.
While the unit had no choice but to fly out of LA without their fellow Marine, they refused to drive home without him.
They left here together as a unit. They're coming back to this